Welcome back to 90 in 90. We hope these topics are useful to you and help you on your path to living a life beyond your dreams. This 90-day series helps change the focus from life's distractions from the process of healing. It is not intended to replace the personal contact of in-person groups and meetings, but we hope a solid supplement to your process and path to living a life in recovery. Day 55, Rebuilding Trust. Higher Power. Grant me the patience to rebuild trust with integrity, knowing that healing takes time and effort. Help me accept that the pain may linger, but that each step forward is a step toward wholeness. Give me courage to stay honest and humble, and remind me that this journey, though challenging, is worth the strength it requires. Day 55. Rebuilding trust in this new way of life is a process, one that requires patience, persistence, and consistency. Trust doesn't return overnight. It's something that builds slowly, one step at a time, often in the same moments where we once stumbled. There may be a history of promises we've broken, times when others believed in us only to be disappointed. Now, each day we choose to live differently is a small step toward healing that history, a brick in the foundation of renewed trust. We learn to let our actions speak louder than words, proving that change is possible and can last. Although we are on this journey, it is not uncommon to want trust to return as quickly as possible, but that is not how it usually works. Time is one of the greatest healers we have. We can't rush others' comfort with us, nor can we force the past to disappear. But by showing up, doing the next right thing, and practicing honesty, we make space for relationships to mend. Patience becomes an ally here because it allows both us and those around us to process and rebuild without pressure. The people who care for us may need that time to feel safe again, and that's okay. Their trust is earned, not just given, and each day we respect that as a day closer to true healing. I had let people down repeatedly, and the idea of regaining trust from them may seem overwhelming, if not impossible. But by being accountable and consistent, I can show that I am willing to put in the effort to change. I am no longer just looking for forgiveness. I am working to become the person I can respect and they can rely on again. This doesn't mean I have to be perfect. It is almost a guarantee that I will not be, but it does mean I am learning to be real with others, to make amends when needed, and to keep moving forward, each day. Each small step on this path brings me closer to the person I aim to be, someone worthy of trust, respect, and lasting connection. Time takes time, trust takes time. It takes a lifetime to earn and grow and a moment to lose it. I work daily to keep my eye on the prize of being trustworthy. Trust is mine to earn. Join us tomorrow for another topic as we continue this journey towards a more complete life. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We are on YouTube and all other social media platforms.